Now at 8:30, the judge in the Lindsay Clancy trial has denied a defense motion for a mistrial. The request came after a prosecution witness testified about religion when he asked Clancy if suicide was a mortal sin. The jury was sent home for the day and were told to disregard that testimony. Thank you for staying with us tonight. I'm Courtney Cole. It is possible the jury will have the case by the end of this week, but what happens after? The BBC's Mike Sullivan spoke with our legal analyst to get some insight into what could happen at the end of the case.
What's next for Lindsay Clancy? That's the big question for jurors to decide. While the outcome remains uncertain, the directions are more concrete. She faces murder charges related to the death of her 3 children. If she is found guilty of first-degree murder, that comes with a mandatory life sentence without the chance for parole.
If she's convicted of a lesser offense, it would still be an extensive prison period, confinement period, but she would have the opportunity for parole at some point down the road.
Jennifer Roman is WBZ's legal analyst. She says if Clancy is convicted, the prison she ends up in may depend on her current state.
Certainly, given her physical limitations and the fact that she's on 24/7 suicide watch currently is going to influence how the prison system deals with her and manages her if that's ultimately what happens, if she's ultimately convicted.
If she is found not guilty by reason of insanity, Roman says Clancy would go right back to where she is now, the Tewksbury State Hospital. Every 6 months, she would be evaluated for release.
It could be, in essence, a life sentence at the state hospital if the faculty there ultimately decides she's not safe to return to the community.
Soon the jury will have to choose which path to take. In Boston, I'm Mike Sullivan, WBZ News.
And remember, you can watch the Clancy murder trial live on our streaming service, the CBS News Boston, and on the CBS News Boston YouTube page.